Hey guys, what I'm going to do now is install a 3-gang outlet without a box on the concrete wall. So stay tuned. This is Royu. This is the brand. It's a 3-gang outlet. We're going to install it here, and there is no box here of this outlet, and we're going to have to drill a hole here and able to install this, and then we're going to run the wire over that junction box right there. Let's start. First, we are going to measure this portion here, because that's what we are going to put in the hole. So the hole should be this big. Let's mark it with pencil. I think that's enough. So we're going to use hammer and this one here to make the hole. Now we are going to drill maybe small way here so that the wire has an entrance area. I think that's good enough. That lit fit, and there's a small hole there. That's where the wire will be installed. Next, we're going to install this wire covering here. We have to use hooks, and we will screw this later after we install these hooks. Molding installation is done. I'll screw them all. Now we're going to prepare this outlet to install it there. I have cut a small wire and make it form like this. This is going to connect the outlets here like this. You are going to need 4 of wire that is formed like this, so that you can connect it here, here, and here. There you go. They are all connected now as one outlet. Okay, now before we are going to install it in the wall, I forgot we have to connect the wire. If the wires are included, it's not going to fit in the hole. So again, crack this here and here. There you go. The wires fit inside already. Now to hold this outlet here, we have to put a torque screw here. Torques here, here, and here. This time we have to be careful in drilling a hole here, because the cement space is very small, and if we're not careful enough, this may crack the cement. Let's do it slowly. You see this hole? We are going to put the torques here. Torques are ready. We are screwing it now. It's already screwed up here. So now we're going to connect the wire to that junction box. But first, we have to turn up the circuit breaker here for safety. I've connected the wire. You can see there, junction box is closed. Now we're going to install this cover. Let's install the cover. It's done. There you go, guys. That's how I installed my 3-gang outlet in the wall without the box. There is really a correct way to install that, and that is having the box installed first before you finish the wall. But we don't have that, so I just drill a hole and put a torque screw to hold the outlet. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more videos to come. Thanks for watching.